Hi everyone, welcome back to Modern Homesteading with Tessa. I'm Tessa, and this is the channel where I show you how to feed yourself. And today we are making a soil mix specifically for making soil blocks. So I'm gonna be following Eliot Coleman's recipe for soil mix specifically for soil blocks. Kevin. All right, so we're gonna start with peat moss, 3 buckets of peat moss. That. 2 buckets of perlite. Two buckets of compost. I'll be back with a bigger boat. All right, and to this I'm gonna add about a cup of blood meal, about a cup of green sand, and half a cup of lime. Then we're gonna just get this all really nice and well mixed. All right, so then when I want to use my soil mix, I just put a few scoops in my tub here. And then I add water. Give that a good mix. And sometimes it helps to add your water and then let it sit and soak for a couple hours and then come back to it later. But I really need to get my soil blocks done, so I'm gonna just go for it. If it's too wet, just add more soil. If it's not wet enough, add more water. Until it's kind of like, I don't know if they say cement. So then to actually form your soil blocks, you're going to pack each one of those cells all the way full with soil, make sure they're all packed evenly. And then you're gonna press down, you'll see that water kind of come up, and then just release your blocks and continue on down. You might need to periodically adjust the moisture level, maybe add some more dirt or add some more water and adjust as you go. So then your soil blocks have a little dibble in them where you can plant your seed, and then I usually just cover it with some more of my soil mix, but you could also use vermiculite or something. And one of the really cool things about soil blocks, aside from it just being awesome that you can start your seeds without any plastic, but it actually gives you a better start too. Because there's air around that soil block instead of plastic, your seedling will air prune and it won't get root bound like it does in a plastic cell. There's actually more soil in a soil block than there is in a cell. And it makes transplanting much easier and easier on the plant. You're not going to get transplant shock like you would with transplanting from plastic cells. So yeah, they're awesome. All right, you guys, that's it for today. Like this video if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. And I'll see you next time.